Overbought, oversold. You have heard these statements quite often too. The markets are severely overbought and we should see some correction. And also its other variant. Markets are now in deep unsold territory and we should see a bounce very soon. What exactly is the meaning of these statements? The total number of shares remains the same and the number of shares owned remains the same. Does this overbought or oversold really mean anything? Can it give us a trading edge? The truth is, such a condition simply does not exist. It only makes the person saying it look smart and intelligent, when in truth, the opposite is the case. How many times have you seen the markets continue to rally in the so-called overbought conditions? And how many times have you seen the markets decline in the so-called oversold conditions? You know the truth yourself, but have never pondered to think if your understanding was correct. My definition of overbought is, the person saying the market is overbought has no holding and he is ruining the fact that the prices have moved higher and he is not able to participate in it. And oversold, the person is left holding the shares and prices are declining much farther than what he has expected. Open positions. When is open position highest? When is open position lowest? We have seen a lot of discussion about open positions in the derivatives segment, but we always appear to ignore the fact that every open position is in fact closed from an exchange perspective. When do you consider the open position to be the highest? Is there a quantifiable way to calculate it? In my 3 decades of trading, I have never seen open position to indicate the future market direction with any certainty. It can always be explained once past the time, but we cannot go back in time to establish a trade. Hence, I believe it is a sheer waste of time and energy to study open positions to gain any certain knowledge of the markets. In conclusion, I could go on and on about a lot of these ideas that we see discussed every day. Markets do not work to a logic. Ponder on that point. It should be one of your basic questions. If the markets were unfolding to certain logic, why does everybody not make money? In the next segment, I will address this question in detail.